Hello everyone, friends. This is the Wellersh channel. Today I'll show you how to download Feather Client. Open any browser and type in Feather Client. Okay, let's go. On the first site, you can click right on Feather Client. Click Download, and then click Download for Windows. Save the installer and open it. The installer opens up automatically, by the way. There, it installs the launcher right away. Now you need to log into your account. We'll choose Microsoft account. Enter your details here. I've logged into my account, and now you can play, add mods, skins, connect to servers, and so on. That's it. This was Wellersh. See you, everyone.